Hello everyone, this is my project detector. When I will show him this, it will get a U-turn. See. Wait. Yes. It is detected. It has turned. And when I will show him this one, it will turn left. Wait, I will show you.
कुछ नहीं मिला ना जवाब किया लॉकडाउन में चले गए अभी आग में निकाले थे
It has turned this side. Now we have done this and U-turn. I will show you turn right. It will turn right this side. Yes, it has turned. When I will show him pizza, that means its stop has came and it will go straight and turn left. So here it will be stop to give him. See, go turn here. So means that its stop has came. When I will show him this go sign, so it will go forward. Detected. Now I will show him stop. It will get stop. Sorry. When I will show him one, it will go and straight. When I will show it two, it will go straight. Three same. Hari ini sebelum